FLACH Company's water jetting cleaning system is a powerful and efficient method for removing tough grime, dirt, and debris from a variety of surfaces. This cutting-edge technology utilizes high-pressure water jets to blast away dirt and grime, leaving surfaces spotless and looking like new. One of the key features of this system is its high-pressure water jets, which can reach pressures up to 40,000 PSI. This intense pressure allows the system to easily remove even the toughest of stains and grime, leaving surfaces looking brand new. The water jets are also highly precise, allowing for detailed and intricate cleaning of surfaces. Another benefit of this system is its versatility. The water jetting cleaning system can be used on a wide range of surfaces, including concrete, metal, brick, and more. This makes it a great option for cleaning industrial equipment, buildings, and even vehicles.